Hello everyone, my name is Radhasyan Kumar Chakrashi, and I am going to explain my project named AI Tool for Learning Intelligence, where the AI tool accepts a student of student datasets and predicts some insights information from the datasets. Let's move on the working process of the AI tools, where the AI tool uh, accept files in CSV format, JSON format, or a manual input format, and by successfully uploading the files, the AI tool checks on criteria for the datasets and move on the ED and pre-processing parts, where it performs on cleaning part and feature engineering parts and the pre-processing part to train a machine learning model. And after doing this, when I shift from ED and pre-processing part to prediction and insights part, the datasets are trained on different machine learning models and predict the best model which give more accuracy. And as per the machine learning model, it perform feature engineering and predict some insights informations from the datasets. Let's move on the first part of the AI tools, data injections and validations. In short, I explained that the AI tools accept dataset in CSV format, JSON format, and manual record entry also available. And the AI tools take some required columns in the datasets, means that the column are compulsorily for the datasets. The student ID columns, course ID, chapter order, time spent hour, scores, and completion states columns are required in the data. Our user flow also show there is a simple or a quick overview or a data preview for the data sets, means they show a demo of the data sets in table format, and after doing this it go to the EDA process. The AI tool performs on EDA process like cleaning data, uh, removing null values, removing outliers, and also creation of some feature engineering. In the first visualizations of EDA part, there show a statistical summary of the numerical columns and also visualizations of different numerical columns uh, like chapter order, time spent hour in bar graph, and also show a correlation by using heat map. There show also outliers of the data sets by using box plot visualizations. I, After the EDA process, the AI will move on the pre-processing and feature engineering parts, where the AI tool creates some features from the data sets to train the models, and after creating the features, it encodes the data for training the models, because machines cannot understand the human's language, or it is best to use encoding technique to train the models. So it first creates some feature engineering columns like feature engineering. It first creates some features columns like time per chapter, score rate, progress ratio, engagement score, completion rate, and risk score, and then move to the pre-processing part, where it encodes the data sets for the machine learning models. And after the pre-processing and after the pre-processing and feature engineering, it go to the predictive analytics and risk modeling. Here, the dataset are trained with different machine learning models, not a single models. They are trained on different machine learning models and select the models which give more accuracy. And also, there so are risk classification tables. The students is categorized in high risk level, medium risk level, and low risk level. After doing the predictive analyzing and risk modeling, the AI tool automatic creates some short summary of the and of the dataset and also actionable insights of the datasets. Like it shows the students of list of students which are in risk level, and also there show the optimization factors, means what is the factor that optimize the learning process. Let's move my demo of the projects. Here When you click on my link or the UI of Streamlit, here you see a required columns hint. It means the dataset you upload in the AI tools must have the columns student ID, course ID, chapter order, time spent hour, course completed columns are mostly in the datasets, and the datasets can be uploaded by using three medium CSV files. API payload JSONs. When you upload the JSONs format, it automatically convert to a data frame by using Panda and then go to the further analysis. And API input manual means you can manually record the dataset, or it automatically create a data and go to the further analysis. Let's move to a further by using some dummy dataset. We upload some dummy datasets which have the required columns and go to the further analysis. When I upload or anyone upload datasets in the AI tools, it first check the columns in the dataset, and all the required columns are matched in the dataset. Then the dataset are valid. And if the columns are not present in the dataset, then they show the errors by showing that we don't have the required columns. And also see a data preview or a demo of datasets. Here you see student ID, course ID, chapter order, time spent hour, scores, and completed columns. And then go to the ED and pre-processing part, where you see the statistical summary of the numerical dataset, numerical columns in the datasets like chapter order, time spent hour, scores. And also you see the data visualizations, means different visualizations of numerical columns like time spent, chapter order, score distribution, completion rate by chapter. Here you see the bar graph of the data set, and also see the correlations, means how much a column related to another column by using heat map. You also see outliers in the data sets by using box plot. Here you see outliers in the time spent is 5 and in the score column is 0. And also you can see the patterns in the two columns like time spent hour and completed score and completed, how they are both related. After seeing or understanding the visualizations, when you click on the clean and fix data, it automatically clean the data by removing outlier nulls and do other part of cleaning. When I click on the button, it automatically clean the data by showing the message data has been cleaned successfully. And also see two bottom, data previous insight and data clean insights, where when you click on the data previous insights button, you again see the previous summary of the dataset by visualizations. And when you click on the clean insights button, you can see the inside summary of the datasets using bar graph after cleaning the data. After cleaning data, before you see outliers in the dataset is 5, and after cleaning the outlier is 0. The outlier will be removed by the function, or the outlier is removed by the function of clean and fix data button. After cleaning the data, it automatically create feature engineering part and also data pre-processing part, and train and go to ready to train the models to predict best. When I click on the go to predictions button, it automatically create machine learning. It automatically show the machine learning models which are best for the tables, best for the datasets, like the XGB classifier models are best for the datasets which give 100% accuracy. And you see a tables which are categorized by risk level, like high risk level, medium risk level, and low risk level. You can also filter the table as your wish, like when you want only high risk level student in the listed, then you can see only high risk level student in the table. When you want to see only low level risk student, you can also see only low level risk student in the tables. After seeing the table, you have an idea to how many students are in high risk level and low risk level. You can also download the tables by using the button, and also there is a table for student level insights, means you show a different understanding of the student, like how much time the student are spending in their courses and how they are completing their courses. And also you see the chapter difficulty score by using bar graph. Here you see the 5 chapter is more difficult as per the data sets. For the student get more difficulty in the 5 chapters. And also a line plot means the completion rate of 5 chapter is 0. The completion rate of first chapter is 0.5. You can visualize by using the line plot and also a bar plot. And also you see a table format of the difficulty score. And there is a short and quick summary of the dataset which are created by the AI tools, means the student which are in high risk level are listed here, which are seen here. And also uh, the engagement time, means the student which are successfully completed their course spend how much average time in their study, and the student which are drop out spend how much average time in their study. And overall trend project completed rate is 45, means the data set completion rate is 45%, mean 55% student are in risk level or not studying well. And also show their show the information that which chapter is in critical situations and need improvement. As per the data set, chapter 5 is in critical bottleneck and 0.01 0.0% completion rate. Thanks. Thanks you.